van is 15 years old, so when I removed the interior I found quite a lot of rust, mold and good old dirt. There are many ways you can remove rust, but I decided to try all of them to see which one worked best. The angle grinder was by far the best tool, so I decided to use that as my main tool. These tools are quite powerful, so remember to be careful. Like I was. Every now and then I find rusty old bolts sticking up through the floor. As you can see, there's quite a lot of work to do.
Ja. Oj! Men nu, vad funkar?
So I decided to remove the old lights since I won't be needing them. The grinding produces quite a lot of dust, so you might want to have a friend come over and clean for you. More lights to be removed, and don't forget to take coffee breaks. As you can see, I found quite a lot of dirt behind the license plate, and the previous owner had tried to put some paint on it. I was gonna fill the holes with a metal filler, but it seemed as the holes were too big and the filler kept falling through. So I called my friend Viktor, because he knows how to weld. So the van frame was thinner than we thought, and it gave us some challenges with the welding. Viktor did an amazing job, so big shout out to him. You know, this stuff is just like making a cake. Put a little more cream than you need on there and just grind it down later. And that's pretty smooth if you ask me. Honestly, I don't know how it's supposed to look because I've never done this before, but it's pretty stuck on there, right? And since my next task was painting, I did a thorough vacuum session. Painting is a lot of fun because you can really see the progress that you're making throughout the van. My decision to remove the seats came from knowing that there would be a lot of dirt and rust underneath the seats. And since my van was ripped apart anyway, I decided to reduce my regrets for later on and go after all the rust that I can. There were quite a lot of holes to fill up from the wall that we removed, and the total of the van, I think it was about 30 holes that we had to fill. On the passenger side there was so much rust on the step, so I'm very happy that we took care of that. Next up is the application of the sound deadening material, but that's gonna be for another episode.